Namaste everyone. Today in this video we're going to talk about standing Uddiyaan Bandha, benefits of precaution. Let's start from the benefits. First is if we have problem related to our stomach like indigestion and constipation, it will help us. Second, according to Hatiyog Pradipika, the practitioner if old become young again by doing Uddiyaan Bandha. Let's talk about precautions. Your stomach should be empty when you will practice Uddiyaan Bandha. Second, if you had any surgeries, so first ask any yoga teacher or doctor, then you can start Uddiyaan Bandha. If you are feeling uneasiness or pain somewhere in your stomach, so don't try this. First check your body. If you feel comfortable, then you can do it Uddiyaan Bandha. Observe by yourself. For the new practitioners, if you are practicing Uddiyaan Bandha, before you can try some yoga asanas and little warm up, so then you will feel more better. Or you can use some breathing exercises as well as like simple inhale and exhale and just do some breathing exercise. Then you can apply Uddiyaan Bandha. So let's start standing Uddiyaan Bandha. Come on your mat. Stand on your mat, bend your knees, place your palm on your knees, press your belly or your stomach towards your spine, below the navel and above the navel, that part we have to press toward the spine. So just practice like this with the exhalation. Exhale and press it completely back towards your spine. Hold here 5 seconds as much as you can. Then gently come back. Repeat this again 5 times. And after that, you can use this with the inhalation also. Just take inhale and again press your stomach towards your spine. And come back. You can repeat this 3 or 4 times as much as you like, and in the same you can do this practice on the sitting posture as well. As for the advanced practitioners, they used to do this practice while they are sitting on the ground. So what you have to do, the same thing, inhale and exhale. With the exhalation, the same thing, same process we have to continue. Our belly going towards the spine. And come back. In the same time, you can apply your chin lock and root lock as well as. So we will do one more time again. Inhale. And exhale, belly going towards your spine. You can apply chin lock and root lock as well as. And gently come back. Hold this position as much as you feel comfortable. Then repeat this 3 or 4 times according to your interest. And during the pranayama, you can also apply these kumbhakas. Like when you will do the Bahya Kumbhak or Anta Kumbhak, that time you can apply these bandhas. That's it for today's. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Namaste.